Introduction. Introduction to the ketogenic diet. Are you tired of trying countless diets that promise weight loss but deliver little results? Look no further. The ketogenic diet may just be the solution you've been searching for. With its focus on low-carb, high-fat foods, this trending eating plan has gained popularity for its impressive ability to help individuals achieve their weight management goals. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of a ketogenic diet when it comes to shedding those extra pounds and keeping them off for good. Get ready to discover how embracing ketosis can transform your journey towards a healthier and happier you. The role of ketosis in weight management. When it comes to weight management, understanding the role of ketosis is crucial. Ketosis is a natural metabolic state that occurs when your body doesn't have enough carbohydrates to burn for energy. Instead, it starts burning fat as its primary fuel source. During this process, ketones are produced by the liver from fatty acids. These ketones then become an alternative fuel source for your body and brain. By transitioning into ketosis, you can tap into your body's fat stores and effectively manage your weight. One of the main benefits of ketosis in weight management is its ability to suppress appetite. When you're in a state of nutritional ketosis, you'll experience reduced hunger and cravings. This makes it easier to stick to a calorie deficit and achieve sustainable weight loss. Additionally, following a ketogenic diet can lead to improved insulin sensitivity. Insulin is responsible for regulating blood sugar levels and storing excess glucose as fat. By reducing carbohydrate intake on a keto diet, insulin levels remain stable, preventing excessive fat storage. Another key aspect of ketosis in weight management is its impact on metabolism. Studies have shown that being in a state of ketosis increases metabolic rate and enhances fat burning capacity. This means that even at rest, your body becomes more efficient at utilizing stored fats as energy. It's important to note that while entering into ketosis may result in initial water weight loss due to glycogen depletion, long-term success with managing weight requires consistency and adherence to healthy eating habits. Incorporating regular exercise along with maintaining proper hydration will complement the benefits provided by the ketogenic diet for optimal results in managing one's weight over time. Benefits of a ketogenic diet for weight loss. One of the key benefits of following a ketogenic diet is its effectiveness in promoting weight loss. By severely restricting carbohydrates and increasing fat intake, the body enters a state of ketosis. In this metabolic state, it becomes highly efficient at burning stored fat for fuel instead of relying on glucose from carbs. When you consume fewer carbs, your insulin levels decrease, leading to reduced hunger cravings and better appetite control. This makes it easier to adhere to a calorie deficit, which is crucial for weight loss. Additionally, the high fat content in a keto diet helps you feel fuller for longer periods. Another benefit of ketosis is its ability to promote rapid initial weight loss. As your body depletes its glycogen stores and switches to burning fat for energy, you may experience a significant drop in water weight within the first few days or weeks. Furthermore, research has shown that following a ketogenic diet can lead to greater fat loss compared to other low-fat diets over time. The increased consumption of healthy fats helps improve satiety and reduce overall food intake. In addition to weight loss benefits from ketosis itself, many people find that adopting a keto lifestyle leads them towards making healthier food choices overall. By focusing on whole foods like meat, fish, vegetables, nuts and seeds while eliminating processed carbohydrates and sugars, individuals often experience improved blood sugar control and increased energy levels. Remember that every individual's journey with keto will be unique. What works best for one person may not work as well for another. It's important to listen to your body's needs throughout this process and consult with healthcare professionals before making any major dietary changes. Tips for maintaining a successful keto diet for weight management. 1. Plan ahead. One of the keys to maintaining a successful ketogenic diet is planning ahead. Take some time each week to plan your meals and snacks, making sure they fit within your macronutrient goals. This will help you stay on track and avoid reaching for unhealthy options when hunger strikes. 2. Stock up on keto-friendly foods. Fill your pantry and refrigerator with keto-friendly foods such as low-carb vegetables, healthy fats, avocado, nuts, lean proteins, chicken, fish, and dairy products like cheese and Greek yogurt. Having these options readily available will make it easier to stick to your diet. 3. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is important for overall health but can also support weight management while following a ketogenic diet. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day or more if you are physically active. 4. Track your macros. Keeping track of your macronutrient intake is crucial on a keto diet. Use apps or online tools to calculate and monitor the amount of fat, protein, and carbohydrates you consume throughout the day. 5. Be mindful of hidden carbohydrates. Some foods that seem keto-friendly may contain hidden carbohydrates that could hinder weight loss progress if consumed in excess. Read nutrition labels carefully and be aware of ingredients like sugar alcohols or high-carb additives. 6. Experiment with recipes. Following a keto diet doesn't mean giving up flavor. There are plenty of delicious recipes available that adhere to the principles of ketosis while satisfying your taste buds. 7. Manage stress levels. High levels of stress can interfere with weight management efforts by increasing cortisol levels in the body, which can promote fat storage around the midsection. Stay mindful about managing stress through practices such as meditation, yoga, and regular exercise. Remember that everyone's journey is different, so it's essential to find what works best for you. Stay committed, be patient with yourself, and celebrate small, Personal success stories on using keto for weight management. Throughout the years, many individuals have turned to the ketogenic diet as a way to manage their weight and achieve their health goals. Here are some inspiring success stories from people who have found great results with keto. 1. Sarah. After struggling with her weight for most of her adult life, Sarah decided to give the ketogenic diet a try. She was amazed at how quickly she began losing pounds and inches. Not only did she shed excess weight, but she also experienced increased energy levels and mental clarity. 2. Mark had always been an athlete but had gradually gained weight over time due to his sedentary job. He discovered the benefits of a ketogenic lifestyle and started implementing it into his routine. Within months, he saw significant improvements in his body composition and noticed that his athletic performance had skyrocketed. 3. Emily. For years, Emily battled with cravings and emotional eating that led to constant fluctuations in her weight. When she switched to a ketogenic diet, she found that her sugar cravings disappeared almost entirely, allowing her to regain control over her food choices and maintain a stable weight. 4. Mike. As someone who struggled with obesity since childhood, Mike tried various diets without much success until he stumbled upon keto. This high-fat, low-carb approach not only helped him lose over 100 pounds but also improved his overall health markers such as blood pressure and cholesterol levels. These personal success stories highlight just a few of the many individuals who have achieved remarkable results using the ketogenic diet for weight management. Incorporating this way of eating into your own lifestyle may require adjustments initially. However, once you become familiar with it and find what works best for your body, you may experience benefits beyond just shedding unwanted pounds. Remember that everyone's journey is unique. What works for one person might not work exactly the same for another individual. It's essential to listen to your body, consult with a healthcare professional if needed, and make informed choices that align.